Hello and welcome back to Criminal IP Search 101. Today we will be showing you how to find exposed SCADA servers on Criminal IP's asset search using HTML meta tag. SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, a computer system that monitors and controls industrial control systems. SCADA is capable of directly controlling remote facilities from one place, but due to its weak security, it is an easy target for cyberterrorism. You can find SCADA servers and websites using the HTML meta description filter provided by Criminal IP. A meta tag in HTML is a tag that summarizes the main points about a website. This information allows you to look up the IP address of websites that contains the keywords you want to search in the HTML meta description element. By putting the HTML meta description filter and keyword SCADA into asset search on Criminal IP, you can narrow down your search results to actual SCADA servers. If you look at the search results here, there are 287 sites that have the keyword SCADA in their meta tag. Out of the many sites here, there are SCADA servers that are exposed to an attack surface. Looking at the search results, you can see this company's SCADA server is exposed and out in the open, allowing anyone to access their site. Hackers can find these open SCADA servers and instantly take control of any connected facilities and bring the system down, which can affect thousands of people at once. Therefore, it is important to manage SCADA servers so that they are not accessible to unauthorized users. We will see you again next time with another search tip.